This is the salmon fish. I have two types here. Okay, first we're going to see the things that we need. I'm going to take half cup of yogurt. About 1 tablespoon, and if you don't have, it's okay, paprika, so about half a teaspoon. Okay, rosemary, also about 1 tablespoon, and pepper, salt, mix well. Since I got more fish here, I think I have to add some more, so I add a bit more yogurt and chili powder. Okay, now I'm going to spread on this fish. So marinate for about 1 hour. Okay, if more is better. Okay friends, we need to pan like this. It is better and easier because one we're going to make the masala and one we're going to fry the fish. And then I took here about 10 shallots. I'm going to blend, and 2 tomatoes. So this is the gravy for the masala, only these 2 items. First we're going to fry the fish. Heat up the pan, and I'm using here normal cooking oil. Skin down, fry with the masala. Okay, make sure the fire is not too much. Don't want to waste any of the masala. Okay, in a separate pan, I'm going to butter masala. I'm going to use butter, nice generous amount of butter. If you're health conscious, olive oil is always optional. Okay, first, once the butter melted, I'm going to add in this blended tomato and the onion. Adil aunty. Okay, let it simmer. And then friends, here I'm going to cover the salmon. You have to cover and cook it. Okay, now 1 bay leaf, dash of garlic powder, optional, chili powder about 2 tablespoons, garam masala about use about 1 teaspoon, let it cook little while. Okay, now I'm going to turn the fish. What is it? Break பண்ணது ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சுல ஃப்ரிட்ஜில். Sorry friends, this is what will happen if you buy your fish and keep too long in your fridge. Now the masala is rendered, nicely mixed and cooked. Okay, I'm going to add salt. If you are using salted butter, make sure you lessen the salt. Okay, now this fish already cooked both sides. I'm going to remove some oil. Not too much oil. I'm going to transfer this masala into the fish. Now I'm going to add this kasuri methi, this dry fenugreek leaf. We add, and since it's butter masala, so I must add some more butter. A little here, a little there. And the salmon butter masala is ready. Okay, for soup, I'm going to use tomato soup and I'm going to toast some bread with butter. melting butter today. Okay, for the vegetable, I already removed it from the steamer. I'm not going to use all the corn, so I'm just going to add this much. Okay. Olive oil. Salt. Pepper. And honey. So friends, this is our fusion western dish. It's ready. Our dinner is ready. Mixed vegetable, salmon butter masala, bread toasted with butter, and tomato soup.
Sorry, I'm eating with my hands.
Parallel fusion western. Nice.
Very nice.
So friends, thank you so much for watching.
Are you enjoying the dinner?
Very good. Butter soaked in tomato soup. Bread. And salmon.
What happened, Shanti? What happened to your fork and knife?
என்ன இருந்தாலும் தமிழ் தானே. அவ்வளோதான். நைட்டு சாப்பிட்றவங்க ஈஸியாக இருக்கு.
Too tasty to cut one piece. The children are going to love it. The salad is very nice.
The corn nice, huh? I thought the corn was too hard.